Want to update your team's logo in the NFL Fantasy app? Here's how to do it. First, launch open the NFL Fantasy app. Once you get here, you want to tap on the league option. Now, tap on this drop down and select your team. After that, tap on this pencil icon. Now tap on change team logo option. Here you will find several options. Take photo, choose from library or browse NFL fantasy logo. If you want to choose from your library, select the second option and choose a picture from your gallery. You can also select browse NFL fantasy logos, and from here you can find different logos. Go ahead and select whichever you prefer. Now tap on select logo option. Once that is done, you can tap on the save option, then head back. And in this way, you can easily change the team logo on NFL Fantasy. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.